Okay.
Escovitch.
Okay.
Onions.
Okay.
Carrots.
Okay.
Chayote.
Okay.
Allspice.
Okay.
Vinegar.
Okay.
Jamaica pickle sauce.
Ooh.
Taste it.
Okay, I can't wait.
It's hot.
Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening?
Probably by 8 August. And I'll take those berries off if I can beat the deer and the others from getting it. Okay. And then I'll put it. It's right here.
The stars above us, the time, the space that we hold is an ingredient. This is an ingredient to our recipe. Second thing that is true is that eating is the privilege of the living. Watch Dungeons Delicious, it's so fun. Delicious in Dungeons, sorry I had it backwards. Delicious in Dungeons is so fun.
So shouldn't you talk about like the stars and stuff like that? It really, really resonated with me.
I just want to spend some
The
time for it.
position of the stars, everything. It's all ingredients. The moment that you make something, it can never be repeated again.
Wow, that was
Off the tree. And this is going to be a seasoning for.